Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I've been working a couple hours on trying to find a way to save this default to trace a bitmap and remove all the color. And if anybody out there watches it, if you know how, I even contacted my mentor and he played around with it and he goes, I don't think there is a way. So if we click on this and trace bitmap by clip art and see it's got white on the face, well, I want to go remove all color. I can't find a way to make that do that automatically. So if anybody knows, I would love to know and show off to the viewers. But I kind of discovered something today that to me is a game changer. I never had even looked at this. For 18 years, I've been looking at this. Look at this. You can see the detail, and like right now, it looks like the eyes kind of grayed out. Well, it's not really grayed out, it's just the dots. And then look right here where his beard is a little sharp like that. Well, one, we can do another thing that I don't ever do, wireframe overlay. And you can kind of see the red lines and what it's going to look like. But if we do the before and after and you see this jagged part of the beard, which it doesn't, in this case, doesn't look bad. But look what we do when we go to smooth it. Instead of using the smoother tool later, we can smooth that out pre-hand. Of course, it's going to distort some of the drawing, and you might not want to do that. And I don't think the corner smoothness would do anything. Matter of fact, that really looks good with the jagged edges of his beard, because it's more representation of what the bitmap looked like. But I had no clue that you could zoom in and really be able to pan around and just see if everything came through. And, see if there's any, like right there, it looks like there's some gray color. And you know what? Right there is. So let's say okay, and then move this out of the way, and it did not take away that gray color. So I kind of was able to zoom in. So if you go to object group and ungroup it, then you could click, you have to click off my yellow box and then grab that gray and delete it. That's pretty sweet. But if anybody knows the answer to the question, I would love to know it, me personally, when I'm tracing and share with my viewers. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.